24th, 2011. Had a bunch of birds gobbling this morning. Had one in front of us. He was probably 300 yards out there, and then we had 2 or 3 to our right that were a good bit further. Calling to them, and they were pretty responsive, but just far off, too far off, and we're pretty wide open. And I don't know, it was probably around 7:20 or so. Catch these 2 birds to my right. It kind of caught me off guard, so I had to get where I felt like they couldn't see me. I got up, got the camera on, and caught them. They were working their way to our left.
At that point, they were side by side, and then when they got separated, there's a pine tree here and some, I don't know, some vines, whatever, and I would have had a shot through that. I wasn't going to do that. When I couldn't see them, when they were behind this pine tree that was about this big around, I moved my gun up slowly and around it, and then shortly after that, I had a shot. He came right back in there, and he paid the price.
I tried to kick his buddy's butt there for a second.
Yeah, he's down and out.
Another good day in the turkey woods, man.
Enjoyed it.